The long-awaited 4th generation iPhone SE4 is on the way. On the backside, iPhone SE4 is featuring pill-shaped cutouts for the single camera, flash and ringer switch. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The new iPhone SE4 will be modeled on the iPhone 14, meaning it's going to be larger. We are talking about a serious upgrade from the 4.7 inches LED screen to a stunning 6.1 inches OLED display. The iPhone SE4 is coming with a powerful 48 megapixel main rear camera and a 12 megapixel front camera. In terms of features, the iPhone SE4 is bidding farewell to the Touch ID in favor of Face ID. Plus, it's making the leap to USB-C, leaving the Lightning port behind. Apple iPhone SE4B will be powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, complete with 8 GB of RAM, and will support Apple Intelligence. Another exciting development is Apple's first in-house 5G modem, codenamed Century. This modem is designed to reduce power consumption and optimize connectivity. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.